Hello students, how are you all? Are you doing your copy work and reading all the chapters? If not, then children start studying because this is a perfect time to utilize for your study. So here I am back with the new chapter of EVS, and that is chapter 3, Healthy and Clean. Students, in your previous class, I have explained you about body parts and its function. And it's our responsibility to maintain each parts of our body, that is to keep our body healthy and clean. Students, to keep our body healthy and clean is necessary for everyone. Students, before moving towards chapter, let's take a quick review of its content. Here, we will cover these two topics in this chapter. The first topic is keeping our body clean, and the second topic is keeping our body healthy. So let's start. The first topic is keeping our body clean. Students, do you know cleanliness is the first law of health? And here we will come to know that how should we keep our body clean. Keeping our body clean. We should keep our body clean in many ways. The first is we should brush our teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once at night before going to bed. Second is we should always take a bath every day so that we can keep our body clean. Third is we should wear clean clothes and give dirty clothes for washing. Fourth, we should always comb our hair every day so that we can look smart. And we should always clip our nails and keep them short and clean. Because when we eat with dirty nails, germs go inside our body, and when germs enter in our body, it makes us sick. And the last point is we should change our clothes before going to bed, because we should always go to bed in clean clothes. Now open your book and let's read the chapter, page number 19. We know that our body is made up of different parts. All parts should be kept clean to stay healthy. Yes, children, it's our responsibility to maintain each part of our body and to keep our body healthy and clean. Keeping our body clean. As I've already explained you that how we can keep our body clean. Let's see what is written here. We should brush our teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once at night before going to bed. We should take bath every day to keep our body clean. We should also comb our hair so that we look smart. We should wear clean clothes and give dirty clothes for washing. Come to next page, page number 20. We should clip our nails and keep them short and clean, because when we eat with dirty nails, germs go inside our body. And the last is we should change our clothes before going to bed. We should go to bed in clean clothes. Now, the second topic is keeping our body healthy. We should follow some good habits to be healthy and strong. Staying healthy means doing things that are good for our body. We should keep our body healthy in many ways. First, we should wash our hands before and after eating food. We can use soap and water to wash our hands. Second, we should eat healthy food. Healthy food gives us energy to do work and helps us to grow. We should also eat food on time. Third is we should drink plenty of water every day. Fourth, We should do exercise every day. It keeps our body fit. Staying healthy is not just about eating the right food, it is about exercising too. Fifth, we should sleep for 8 hours every night because our body needs rest too. And we should go to bed and wake up on time. Now let's read what is written in the book. Again come to page number 20. Second topic, keeping our body healthy. Staying healthy means doing things that are good for our body. We should follow some good habits to be healthy and strong. Children, I have already explained you that how we can keep our body healthy. Let us see some points written here. The first point is we should wash our hands before and after eating food and every time we use the bathroom. Second point, we should eat healthy food. Healthy food gives us energy and help us to grow. We should also eat food on time. Third, we should drink plenty of water every day. Fourth, staying healthy is not just about eating the right food. It is about exercising too. Exercising keeps our body fit. And the last is, our body needs rest too. We should go to bed and wake up on time. We should sleep for 8 hours every night. Now, here the chapter is completed, but some words are given which you don't know. That is germs, energy, junk food. Let us see what does it mean. Now, let's see what are germs. A germ is a tiny organism that causes a disease and make us sick. Children, when our hands are not washed properly or we eat with dirty nails, then germs will definitely go inside our body and make us sick. Junk food. Burgers, french fries, samosas and chips are unhealthy food. That is why they are known as junk food. As you can see children, all the fast foods are given here like cold drink, chips, pizza, ice cream, etc. When we will eat this, it will definitely affect our body. So, we should avoid eating them. Energy means the ability and power to do work. And the last is healthy, means that you are strong and well and not likely to become ill. Now, let's start doing the exercise. Come to page number 21, exercise A. Match the following. In the first line, the things are given and in the second line, they are using that things to keep themselves clean. Let's see how to match them. The first is nail trimmer and we use the nail trimmer to trim our nails. The second is toothbrush and we use toothbrush to brush our teeth. The third is dirty hands and we wash our dirty hands with soap and water. Fourth is towel and soap and we use towel and soap to take a bath. Like this, you will also match them. Now come to exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Here you have to fill these blanks with the correct answer. The first is we should brush our teeth dash a day. Options are twice, thrice, once. So the correct answer is twice. Second question. Dash is unhealthy food. Options are apple, spinach, samosa. And the correct answer is samosa. Third, we should sleep for dash hours every night. Options are 3, 6, 8. And the correct answer is 8. And the last question, number 4. We should drink a plenty of dash. Options are water, juice, milk. And the correct answer is water. Now come to the last exercise, exercise C. Draw a smile face for correct sentences and a sad face for the incorrect ones. First is, we should wash our hands only after eating. No, this sentence is incorrect. We should always wash our hands before and after eating. So here you will draw a sad face. Now come to second page. Question number 2. We should take bath every day to keep our body clean. Yes, this sentence is correct. We should always take a bath to keep our body clean. So here you will draw a smiley face. Third question. We should not clip our nails. This sentence is incorrect. We should always clip our nails. So here you will draw a sad face. Now last question 4. Exercising keeps our body fit. This sentence is also correct. We should always do exercise to keep our body fit. So here you will draw smiley face. I hope you all have understood. And last exercise, exercise D, we will do in copy. So the homework for you all is that you will read the chapter and complete the book exercise on page number 21 and 22. We will again meet in the next class with copy work. Till then, be clean, be healthy. Thank you.